Is it just me, or does Halloween seem to get more and more popular every year? Between all the decorations that fill our stores and front yards to the countless Halloween get-togethers, this ghostly holiday has really taken off. So this year, whether you're hosting a Halloween bash or you just need something to bring to one, we've got you covered. It's super easy, budget-friendly, and eerily delicious. Let's get started. We begin by combining a bottle of barbecue sauce, cherry preserves, a few canned chipotle peppers that we've chopped, a bit of sauce from the peppers, and a bit of water. Now we'll heat this up. If you're thinking this sounds like an odd combo of flavors, you have to trust me on this one. Once it's hot, we add a couple pounds of cocktail-sized smoked sausages to the sauce, and we let it simmer. If you want, you could even throw everything in a slow cooker and serve them right from there. Either way, these are amazing. You get the smokiness from the sausage and the sweet and tanginess from the preserves and the chipotle peppers. To get the recipe for our Un-Boo-lievable BBQ Weenies, simply visit our website. Trust me, I'm not one to trick you. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an unbelievably tasty way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. You left me one? Very sporty of you.
Just one.